Well, this is the non-cell I bought on eBay to replace the one that went missing, and it's been to the powder coaters and it's come back same colour, and it looks really good. So I'm going to fit that today, and once I've done that I can line up the front forks, and the next job will be to fit the swing arm and check that out. So I'll be doing that today. Well, this is the simple board I've made to check the alignments of the front forks, see if they're in twist or not. This is how BSA recommend you do it. I got this from the service sheets, so I'll check it out now. Well, there's quite a bit of twist in those, so I'll try and get that out now. Well, to get the twist out I've got to slacken the pinch bolts, which I've done, and also the top nuts, which is slack, and I've got to get this into there, sorry, that way, and just see if I can get the twist out. No, it's not. Not too far the other way. Well, I've faffed about with it for another 10 minutes, and I think I've actually succeeded in getting the twist out of that now. And the board is solid across the forks there. So I'm happy with that. The plan now is to make some new pinch bolts, and I'm also going to make some chunky bronze washers for the underneath the top nuts there. I'll do those later today. Well, the work to the front forks is finished now. I've just made these little bronze washers and the nacelles fitted and everything's fine. The forks are trued up and they're okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to make 2 of these top nuts in stainless, but I'll show that in a separate video. I'll also be making 2 pinch bolts for the front fork at the bottom yoke there, and a pinch bolt for this top yoke here, but that'll be a separate video.